This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 59, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part A. The rising integration of renewable energy sources and the growing adoption of electric vehicles present operational challenges and threats to the grid due to their intermittent nature and high energy demands. Load curve analysis reveals voltage fluctuations caused by the mismatch between renewable generation and demand, highlighting the need for energy management systems and battery energy storage systems to maintain voltage control and address intermittency. The IIT Roorkee distribution system, modeled in RSCAT, showcases the potential for over and undervoltage scenarios, prompting the integration of battery energy storage systems to mitigate these issues. Optimal sizing and location of battery energy storage systems are crucial to minimize network costs, achieved through a mixed integer linear programming, problem formulation and solver optimization. A power hardware-in-loop PHIL experimentation setup, including a battery emulator, bidirectional converter, and RTDS simulator, has been implemented to validate simulated network solutions in real time. The battery energy storage system connection diagram illustrates the integration of a battery emulator, converter, power amplifier, and RTDS for scaled-down voltage and current signals, aiming to enhance the voltage profile during peak solar irradiance. The VECT controller has been integrated for PWM generation, enabling synchronization with the IIT Roorkee network node, facilitating real and reactive power references, and observing battery charging, discharging, and power absorption and injection. PHIL validation results have identified 5 optimal locations for installing battery energy storage systems at IIT Roorkee, with one system already in place at the Electrical Engineering Department to regulate voltage and manage peak energy demands. The IIT Roorkee microgrid architecture, comprising a 170 kV rooftop solar system, 111 kV load, and 200 kcal lithium-ion battery storage, serves as a model for deploying battery energy storage devices at the identified locations. The proposed energy storage system will manage peak energy demand, enable bidirectional control for real and reactive power, facilitate PV energy smoothing, improve renewable energy utilization, and ensure an uninterrupted power supply with better voltage and frequency control. Deploying battery storage systems addresses renewable intermittency, mitigates voltage regulation challenges posed by electric vehicles, counteracts the severe impact of reverse power flow from renewables, and enhances grid operations through optimal sizing, siting, and integration of energy management systems. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.